Not long ago, a friend asked me to take a look at an estimate she had for rebuilding her water-damaged bathroom. To see how I wound up coming out of retirement and helping her redo that bathroom, stick around and I'll show you right here on Sammy's Workshops. And be sure to click like, subscribe, and click on that alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded. Before we get to today's project, let's take a moment to talk about workshop safety. Be sure to read, understand, and follow all of the safety rules that come with both your hand and power tools. Knowing how to properly operate your tools and following these safety rules can significantly reduce the risk of damage and/or personal injury. And of course, there are no more important safety rules than to avoid loose clothing, long sleeves, and to wear safety glasses, hearing and respiratory protection as needed. Now let's get to today's project. Hello YouTube, my name is Sammy and welcome back to Sammy's Workshops. Today's video is on how I helped a friend rebuild her water-damaged bathroom. She'd gotten an estimate from a company who, well, when she read it, she was kind of a little puzzled and it didn't look right. So she sent it to me knowing I had a construction background, and I took a look at it, and here is the estimate. No names, of course, to protect the guilty, my little Joe Friday dragnet disclaimer. But you'll notice highlighted in pink 2 items near the top of the list: 1/2-inch AC plywood and 1/4-inch hardboard. Now that would make a 3/4-inch thick flooring, which is a standard thickness for flooring, but those are the wrong products for flooring. Modern day flooring is 3/4-inch tongue and groove underlayment plywood, which is put together with special glue so it's water resistant, etc., etc. And the tongue and groove part means the floor won't be bouncing around at joints. That's the right product. 1/2-inch AC plywood and that 1/4-inch hardboard, wrong answer, guys. So at that point, when I told her that, she said, why don't you just help me do this, and then we'll bring in the plumber, a different person, a plumber that we knew, who would take care of installing the shower and the toilet and the sink, and then we could do the finishing stuff. And I kind of agreed. That worked. So the next order of business was to get ourselves a couple sheets of 3/4-inch tongue and groove underlayment, cut them to shape, and put them into the room. Then we got the vinyl plank flooring down. She chose a wood look vinyl flooring, which is really nice to use, really easy to install. It snaps together. It's a free floating like most modern floors are. And once we got to this point, we were done while we waited for the plumbers to come and install the zero clearance tub and shower surround, the toilet, and the sink for us. We did hire out those parts just to make sure everything was cool there. Once those guys were done, then we got back to work doing the finish up stuff. Once the plumbers were done, we got back in there, and because that shower surround was a zero clearance, it meant there's no drywall behind it. So we had to fill the drywall in around the outside edges and down to the floors and get that all plastered in and mudded and taped, and so she could paint it up. And then we had some trim things to put in there, the baseboards and a few other little things. Once we got done with all that, she got in, and there's a few little minor items. She wanted to put some backsplash around the sink, which I don't think I have photos of. But we got all that done, and the bathroom is finished. Now the colors are a little dark. Those were chosen by her 20-something son. That's okay. It's his bathroom, so gets to be his colors, right? But it turned out great, and we actually brought it in, even hiring out the plumbers, we brought the whole thing in for less than the original estimate. Not too much under, but a little bit under the original estimate from the guys who were going to use the wrong product. So Glad she's happy, and thanks for joining me this week. If you have any questions on this or any other project I've done, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like, subscribe, and click on that alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded, usually each week on Wednesday, with a few others in between as time and projects allow. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a website for patterns that I do and plans that I digitize and download, or have for download. And I'll also have links to tools and supplies I use. If you want to use the same items I did, you'll know where to get them. All those links will be in the comments down below. And until next time, see ya!